Welcome to Astonishing World Facts today. We're diving into the land of freedom, opportunity, and endless surprises, the United States of America. Get ready to discover 10 astonishing facts that will make you see this vast country in a whole new light. The United States is renowned for its remarkable diversity, comprising 50 states that boast a wide array of cultures, landscapes, and languages. From the golden beaches of California to the snowy peaks of Colorado, the geographic and cultural variety is staggering, creating a mosaic of experiences that is unique to each region. One astonishing fact is that the US is home to the world's largest economy, driven by innovation, technology, and consumer spending. The bustling financial hubs of New York and San Francisco are vital in this narrative, facilitating a dynamic powerhouse that influences global markets and trends. In terms of natural wonders, the USA proudly hosts the Grand Canyon, a magnificent chasm that measures over 277 miles long and exceeds a mile in depth. Visitors flock from around the globe to gaze upon the stunning sunsets that paint the canyon walls in shades of orange and red, showcasing nature's artistry at its finest. Another staggering statistic reveals that the US has over 400 national parks, preserving breathtaking landscapes and diverse ecosystems. From the geothermal wonders of Yellowstone to the pristine wilderness of Acadia, these parks protect captivating flora and fauna, inviting exploration and fostering a profound respect for nature. The historical significance of the United States is also noteworthy. It was the first country to declare independence from colonial rule, adopting the Declaration of Independence in 1776. This visionary document inspired countless independence movements worldwide, emphasizing liberty and human rights as universal ideals. Interestingly, the US is a leader in technological advancements, being the birthplace of groundbreaking inventions like the airplane and the internet. This legacy of innovation continues today, with Silicon Valley acting as a breeding ground for tech startups that shape our digital future. Culturally, the US influences global trends in music and fashion, evidenced by the worldwide popularity of jazz, rock, and hip-hop genres. Major events like Coachella and New York Fashion Week signal the ongoing impact of American creativity on the global stage. Did you know that the US has the world's highest incarceration rate? While the complex social issues behind this statistic are multifaceted, it underscores ongoing debates about justice, reform, and equality within the legal system. Furthermore, the US is a melting pot of languages, with over 350 languages spoken across the country. This linguistic diversity reflects the nation's rich tapestry of immigrant cultures, forging a unique American identity that thrives on multiculturalism. Finally, the US is famous for its Thanksgiving celebration, a cherished holiday where families come together to share a feast. The traditions surrounding Thanksgiving symbolize gratitude, connection, and the spirit of community, highlighting the values that unite Americans from coast to coast. Thanks for joining us on this journey through astonishing facts about the USA. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content from Astonishing World Facts. What's your favorite fact about the USA? Let us know in the comments below.